Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll solve this equation. We have 4 to the power of a minus 36 to the power of b equal 28, and a and b are positive integers. Okay, you can find a and b. Okay, for first we can write this 4 is root power of 2. Okay, power of a minus 36 is 6 power of 2, so the power of b equal 28. Okay, for this, okay, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of a, okay, is you can write 2 to the power of a power of 2 minus this 6 power of b power of 2 equal 28. Okay, and we have this if you have a minus b is equal a plus b and a minus b. Okay, you can use this formula for 2 to the power of a, 2 to the power of a plus 6 power of b, okay, times in bracket 2 to the power of a minus 6 power of b equal 28. Okay, is equal 28. For 28 we have 28 times 1 or 2 times 14 or 4 times 7. Okay, now 2 to the power a plus 6 power of b is greater than 2 to the power of a minus 6 power of b. Okay, and we have 2 to the power of a is even number and 6 even number, so 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of a to a 6 power of b is even number, and similarly for 2 to the power of a minus 6 to the power of b is even number. Okay, and look for this 1 is not even number. Okay, 1 is not even number, and 7 is not even number. Okay, so this number is not valuable. Okay, possible number for this is 2 times 14. Okay, and 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of b greater than this, so 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of b equal 14. Okay, and 2 to the power of a minus 6 to the power of b equal to. Okay, you can write this 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of b equal 14, and 2 to the power of a plus minus 6 power of b equal 2. Okay, now we can adding for to the equation. Okay, 2 to the power of 8 plus 2 to the power of a can have 2 times 2 to the power of a, and this we can cancel this. Okay, and 14 plus 2 equals 16. Okay, now 2 times 2 to the power of a equals 16, and both side we can divide in by 2. Okay, divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 to the power of a times equal a. Okay, so 2 to the power of a equal a is 2 to the power of 3. So we have a equal 3. Okay, we can substituting a equal 3 to 2 to the power of a plus 6 to the power of b equal 14. 2 to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of b equal 14. The power of 3 is 8 plus 6 power of b equal 14, and 6 power of b equal 14 minus 8. Okay, 6 power of b equal 6. Okay, in this 6 to the power of 1, so we have b equal 1. Okay, so this answer is a equal 3 and b equal 1. Okay, so thank you for watching.